Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Knowledge Hut. My today's topic is vitamins. Vitamins are organic compounds required in minute quantities. No calories are obtained from vitamins, but they play an important role in regulating chemical reactions in metabolism of the body. Vitamins are invented by Hopkins and the term vitamins is given by Funk. There are different types of vitamins: vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E and vitamin K. On the basis of solubility, vitamins are of two types. First is water soluble vitamins and the second one is fat soluble vitamins. Firstly, the vitamins which are soluble in water are called as water soluble vitamins. Example, vitamin B and vitamin C are water soluble vitamins. The vitamins which are soluble in fats are called as fat soluble vitamins. For example, vitamin A, vitamin D, E and vitamin K are fat soluble vitamins. Firstly, we will discuss the vitamin A. The chemical name of vitamin A is retinol. The main sources of vitamin A are liver, fish carrot, juice, sweet potatoes and squash. The deficiency disease caused by vitamin A is color blindness. In this disease, the patient is unable to distinguish the colors. Next one is vitamin B. The chemical name of vitamin B is thiamine. The main source of vitamin B are dairy products like whole grains, meat, eggs, legumes, seeds and nuts. These all are the sources of vitamin B. The deficiency disease caused by vitamin B is beriberi. Next is vitamin C. The chemical name of vitamin C is ascorbic acid. The main source of vitamin C are citric fruits such as orange, lemon, kiwi, Brussels sprouts and the fruits. The deficiency disease caused by vitamin C is scurvy. Vitamin D. The chemical name of vitamin D is calciferol. The main source of vitamin D are fatty fish, food fortified with vitamin D, beef liver, cheese and egg yolk. These all are the sources of vitamin D. The deficiency disease caused by vitamin D is rickets in kids. Next is vitamin E. The chemical name of vitamin E is tocopherol. The main source of vitamin E are oil-rich components like nuts, almonds, peanuts, vegetable oils, and the soybean oils. The deficiency disease caused by vitamin E is less fertility. The last one is vitamin K. The chemical name of vitamin K is phylloquinone and the main source of vitamin K are cereals, green vegetables, egg, meat, fish and the liver. The deficiency disease caused by vitamin K is less blood clotting. Here we have a chart in which we will discuss the different types of vitamin B. So the first one is vitamin B2. The chemical name of vitamin B2 is riboflavin and the deficiency disease caused by it is cracking in skin, appearance of red eyes, cracking in tongue, etc. And the next one is vitamin B3. The chemical name is niacin and the deficiency disease caused by vitamin B3 is hair to be whitened or mental stupidity. The next vitamin is vitamin B5. The chemical name is pantothenic acid and the disease caused by its deficiencies is pellagra. Pellagra is a kind of skin irritation. Vitamin B6, the chemical name is pyridoxina, and the deficiency disease caused by B6 is anemia and skin diseases. The next one we have is vitamin B7. The chemical name is biotin, and the deficiency disease caused by it is paralysis, body ash, hair fall, etc. And the B12. The chemical name is cyanocobalamin, and the disease caused by it is anemia. The next one is vitamin B9. The chemical name is steroid glutamic, and the deficiency diseases are anemia, dysentery, and scurvy. And vitamin C, D, K we discussed earlier. So thank you for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel.